In today's demanding environment, water treatment goes beyond just filtration. With Delta's energy efficient automation, every step is optimized, from the first drop to the last. Our comprehensive solutions unify each phase, maximizing flow control, ensuring consistent quality, and cutting energy costs along the way. And because no two plants are the same, we tailor our approach to fit your exact requirements. Whether you're delivering to a nearby city or securing your own on site reserves, Delta's automation adapts seamlessly, giving you the flexibility to scale as demands change. And with Delta's powerful controllers and intuitive management software, you have full visibility of your operations, making predictive maintenance, streamlined staffing, and data driven decision making easy. For over 50 years, Delta has led the way in energy saving solutions, allowing industry to thrive in a world of constant change. Together, we will shape the future of water treatment, one drop at a time.